basketball. Yes, ma'am. Doing a little video.
Huh?
Doing a little video.
Doing a what?
A little video.
It's a little video. I got exercise ka?
No, just filming myself. Basketball is my favorite sport. I like it when you dribble up and down the court. Okay. Hello everybody, my name is marslikedaplanet. And I low-key need to hurry up because I randomly just got a text today from a homie of mine asking to play basketball, and I've been wanting to play basketball for so long. I keep pressing them. Can we play basketball? Because I am ass at basketball, but it's so fun to me. So anyways, I'm supposed to be in there in 40 minutes, and it takes 40 minutes to get there. So, but I'm gonna do my hair. Figured, let me just do a quick little video, a little tutorial while I'm at it. But I'm gonna either do a ponytail or a bun. I don't know. Oh wait, no, so I got my gel out. I do not want to use my gel. I just want to use this spray because honestly, the first time I used it, I didn't use gel, and I think it works better without the gel first. I know in my last hair tutorial I used gel and then this, but I think it works better if I just use it by itself. So let me see. Okay. Yeah, it's looking nice. It's looking nice already. Don't neglect the back. Really makes it extra slick. Oh, it feels cold. The spray feels cold. It doesn't feel liquidy though. Now I'm gonna redo my ponytail. I'm gonna brush this down real quick. 2 elastics. Okay, so now that we kind of got like a little base going on, I'm gonna just brush it down one more time. Okay, that looks good to me. So now I'm going to take my gel again and do the front part of my hair, my edges. Wait, hold on, is the back looking good? How does the back look? Is it good? Is it slick? Let me see. It ain't perfect, but that's what we going with today. Anyways. Okay, so then I'm gonna take my spoolie and my gel, and I wanna do a swoop with this part of my hair. I don't know if I'm gonna do my sideburn edges because I'm honestly probably just gonna end up sweating that off. So, okay, let's do one here also because I was just gonna make it straight, but it's just looking like it's not gonna do that. So, and I'm gonna do that for this side as well. That looks better. It looks like a little butt and like a butt crack. So, oh, I just realized I'm like doing it like direct impact. I'm pretty sure the directions are like 8 to 12 inches away. Well, gonna redo my ponytail one more time. I'm literally probably gonna end up sweating off my hairstyle anyways, but whatever. Like, why? Okay. You know what? We don't got time for that. I'm probably gonna sweat that off anyways, so let's try to make this straight again. Okay. Oh wait, I just forgot. This was supposed to be a tutorial. So basically, you get your baby hairs, you pull down, and then you swoop, and I still hold it, and then go like that again. So it's like a straighter line, and kind of just shape it how I want it to. But I don't want it too straight of a line. Just kind of guide it so it's like a little straight, and not like prominently. Like that. Is that even? This one's a little bigger. Let me just shorten that up a little bit. Is that even? Let me know if it's even, please. I think so. I think that's even. Yeah. I think that's even. Yeah, okay, cool. I don't know if I'm gonna do my sideburn edges today. I'm either gonna have them stick out or have a little dangly. Oh, I think I might have like a little dangly sideburn right here. Little dangly sideburn because I had my hair in a bun, so it shouldn't be too straight. Little wave to it. That looks pretty ugly though. No. Yeah, not doing that. I'm not gonna do the swoop. The swirl. I'm gonna do the one that like makes me feel like a mouse where it sticks out. So pull down your baby hairs and then just have it hanging out. Yes, have it hanging out like that. Just chilling, hanging out, sticking out like that. Okay, and then on the other side, very quick and easy. This one looks better, so let me try to fix this one. Okay, good enough. Yes, I'm happy with that. That is cute. Okay, perfect. Okay, now we're done. Goodness gracious. So this is the final look. We got this jacket that I got from Depop. I did do a Depop haul on this, so if you're interested, go check it out. You know what I mean? So I got a whole bunch of bejewels on it, super cute, and just some black cargos, nothing fancy, nothing too crazy, but goodness. But what's it called? Like if you know me, I used to dress real tomboy-y, but I'm more feminine these days, so like there's still a little feminine touch to it. I was gonna wear some basketball shorts and like a jersey, but I think it's a little cold outside, so but only gonna get darker, so I was like, you know what, nah. So yep, thank you for watching, thank you for joining me again. I don't know if this was much of a tutorial, more kind of like a get ready with me of me doing my hair, but this is the final look. You know what I mean? Okay, see y'all later. Thank you.